Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Haniza and everyone. My name is Dordania and I will be presenting together with my teammates Dayanku, Siti Nur Bismillah and Sofia Silviana. Today we will be presenting our product description with the errors and the corrected version. We hope this presentation will help us all to understand how to identify and correct errors to improve our language quality.
Okay, so for our proofreading analysis, we choose the platform Shopee. Shopee is a very popular e-commerce platform, especially in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. It was launched in 2015 by C Group, and it is well known for its easy-to-use mobile app, affordable products, and frequent promotions like flash sales and free shipping. A large number of sellers on Shopee are small businesses or individuals resellers, and because of that, the product description are often written quickly or translated using online tools. This can lead to common language errors like grammar mistake, awkward sentence structure, or wrong punctuation. This is why we chose Shopee because it provides a real everyday examples of the kind of proofreading errors that we wanted to analyze.
Okay, so for product 1, this is a lip care oil designed to moisturize, protect, and brighten the lips. It claims to help improve lip dryness, and this product is sold in a 5mm bottle and was found on Shopee. We discovered 25 language-related errors in this description. The main issues identified were capitalization, subject-verb agreement, sentence structure, punctuation, and tenses.
This slide shows some of the language errors we found in the first product description, which is a lip care oil sold on Shopee. In total, we identified 25 language-related errors and we grouped them into 5 main categories. The first category is capitalization. For example, phrase like smooth the lip lines use capital letters unnecessarily. Next, we have subject-verb agreement errors. For instance, brightening lips improving dryness lip oil is missing clear verb structure and sounds confusing. There are sentence structure issues like please do not for purposes other than makeup. This sentence is incomplete and unclear. We also noticed many punctuation errors. Sentence like before bedtime apply a thick layer. Don't use commas or periods to separate ideas properly. Finally, we identified tense issues such as hydrating before lip makeup. It is missing a subject or we can say a proper verb form. All these errors in the first product description can reduce clarity and can affect how customers understand and trust the product. And we shall now move to the corrected version of the first product description error.
Next, I will be talking about the correct version. So, firstly, for capitalization, an example is smooth the lip lines. The correction ensures only the first word is capitalized unless it's a proper noun. Secondly, subject-verb agreement. An example, brighten lips and improves dryness lip oil. It was corrected because the verbs did not match the nouns structurally. Thirdly, sentence structure. An example, please do not use it for purposes other than makeup. Was corrected to add the verb use to complete the sentence. Number 4, punctuations. Before bedtime, apply a thick layer. Uses a comma to separate the introductory phrase from the main clause. Lastly, for tenses, moisturizes the lips, making them smooth and elastic. Needed a clear subject and linking verb to correct the structure.
Will be presenting on product 2. It is a moisturizing lip product called Moisturizing Lip Glaze. It's suitable for everyday use and can be used on all types of lips. This product also provides multiple benefits such as hydration, shine, and also comfort. It was purchased from an online platform called Shopee. And from the description, we can identify 25 language errors which were grouped into 5 main categories such as capitalization, subject-verb agreement, sentence structure, punctuations, and also tenses. So now let's move on to those incorrect versions. Okay, so now I will be explaining each category of errors one by one, starting with capitalization errors. It occurs when capital letters are used wrongly, either missing at the start of the sentence or names or used where they shouldn't be. And next is subject-verb agreement errors. The subject and the verb don't match, like using a plural verb or singular subject. And then the third one is sentence structure error. The sentence is totally unclear, incomplete, or too long, making it hard to understand. And then moving on to the fourth one, the fourth error is punctuations, missing or wrong punctuation marks like commas or full stop, which affects the clarity of the sentence. And lastly is tenses error, using the wrong verb tense like mixing present and past tense in the same sentence. Now, here are the errors that we have identified in product 2. Starting with capitalization error, product capacity about 10 ml. The next one is hydrating makeup infused with restorative properties. And then moving on to subject-verb agreement errors, which is as your lips are replenished and toned, feeling like supple and soft. On to the next one is a restorative, fragrance-free formula nourish and hydrates lips. And then for the other error is sentence structure. We will check every piece carefully. Please rest assured. The second error is apply with ease and remove with care for genuinely decadent lip experience. And then the punctuation error is packing list, one moisturizing lip glaze. And also 100% consultation reply, you don't have to worry. And then onto the last error that we have identified is tenses. As it glides onto your lips, glad to visit and click to follow. Hence, all these errors were corrected and recognized into clearer, grammatically accurate sentences in corrected version. This analysis also allowed us to apply linguistic knowledge into real-world content. It also helped us understand how important language accuracy is in product marketing. Thank you for listening. That's all from me.
I will be presenting the corrected version of product 2 by focusing on 5 language aspects, which is capitalization, subject-verb agreement, sentence structure, punctuation, and tenses. So for first, capitalization, for example, we change product capacity about 10 millimeter to product capacity about 10 milliliter where the P, C, and A are capitalized. This matches the formal label style by capitalizing key terms for consistency and professionalism. Next, we have subject-verb agreement. We need to ensure the verb matches the subject. For instance, as your lips are replenished and toned, feel light, supple, and soft. We change it to feel must match the plural subject lips to maintain grammatical accuracy. And then for sentence structure, we correct run-on sentence for clearer readability. For example, we will carefully check every piece, please rest assured. We separate these two clear sentences into we will carefully check every piece, please rest assured. This makes it easier for the reader to understand. And then for punctuation, we will fix small but important details to improve clarity. For example, changing packaging list 1 star moisturizing lip glaze 2 packaging list 1 X moisturizing lip glaze. This replacement with X makes it look more professional. And lastly, for tenses, we ensure the correct tense is used to match the context. For example, we're glad you visited and click follow. Using past tense here is appropriate because it refers to a completed actions by the user. So, to conclude, product 1 has 24 errors while product 2 has 25 in total. Even though product 1 has fewer errors, it contains more serious issues like sentence structure and subject-verb agreement, which reduce credibility. Product 2 errors are mostly minor, such as punctuation and formatting. Product 2 is also written in bullet point format, which improve clarity and flow. In contrast, product 1 improper sentence structure makes the content harder to understand. This comparison shows that the type and impact of errors are as important as the quantity when evaluating a language quality. So, thank you for listening. If you have any question, we are ready to answer them. Thank you.